Good morning, everybody. All right, here we go. This is second period math class, and we will be doing some reducing fractions, just like we were doing last week, right? Right. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. We know what we're doing with this. So let me wait a second. Where'd that go? There it is. Bloop. Got some fractions here. These are what's on your page with the when you click in the Google Classroom. You see this page. It's got some problems on it, but we're going to work on them. I'm not going to do them all with you, but I'm going to do some of them. Okay. And then tomorrow, one for tomorrow is kind of a beast. It's got some problems on it. You're definitely going to want a separate sheet of paper for tomorrow. Okay. I'm going to recommend one for today. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and grab my notebook right now. Whoops. Dropping stuff everywhere. That's what happens in my messy garage. I know it dropped. I just don't know where. I'll find it in a bit. I want to go walk around barefoot, so I'm going to find it. Anyway. All right. Let's see. Okay. There we go. First problem we have on our list is 9 over 27. 9/27ths. Let's bust this out and see what we got. See if we can read this. Does it show up? It does. Not the best, but it does show up. Tell you what, let me switch out to a blue that I know is darker and will show up better. Okay? So we got 9 over 27. My factors of 9. I know 1 times 9. 2 doesn't go into it. 3 does. 3 times 3. Okay. That's it, because we've got the same number. We know the next one's going to go as 9. That's, we've got everything, all of our factors. How about for 27? We know 1 times 27. Does 2 go into it? It's an odd number. 2 won't go into it, no. But 3 will. 3 times 9. Does 4? No. 5? No. If 3 won't go into it, 6 won't. 7 does 21 and 28. 8 won't. 9's the next number that goes into it. We've already got it written down. Boom. So what are the common factors we have? Both have 1. Both have 3. They both have 9. Our greatest common factor is 9. So our GCF is 9. And when we divide 9 into 27, well, we know 9 goes into 9 one time. Put a little slash. That's the one right below the question mark. Down there by the space bar and the shift key. Yeah. And then 9 goes into 27 3 times. That's what I like about doing it this way, because you already know, boom, when you're dividing, what goes into what, how many times. So 1/3. Cool. Let's do 15/20. 15 over 20. We know 1 times 15. Does 2 go into it? No. Does 3? Goes into it 5 times. 4 doesn't, and then 5 does, but boom, that's back where we just started. So we're good. We're set for 15s. How about for 20? 1 times 20. 2 times 10. 3 won't go, but 4 goes 5 times. And 5 would be our next number, so boom, once again, we're right back where we need to be. They've got 1 in common, not 2, not 3, not 4. They've got 5 in common. Our greatest common factor is 5. So right across from the 15 divided by 5 is 3. 20 divided by 5 is 4. So our reduced fraction becomes 3/4. GCF is 5. Greatest common, and the factor reduces down to 3/4. Now down here, they don't tell us what to do. They just expect us to know. So I'm going to do this one, 14/35. And then I'm going to do 12/30. And then you guys are on your own for the rest of them, okay? You can do this. Yeah, you can. Don't give me that line. All right, here we go. 14/35. Those numbers don't look like they have very much in common at all. But we'll see. I mean, sometimes our greatest common factor is 1 and we can't reduce. But again, let's see. Factors of 14, factors of 35. We know that 1 times 14. Does 2 go into 14? This is where it's handy to have your calculator, because you can type in 14 divided by 2 and see if it comes out. And this time it does. 7 times. You do 14 divided by 3, and you get a number with a decimal. Not what we want. No decimals. Just whole numbers. 14 divided by 4. Nope. 14 divided by 5. Nope. By 6. Nope. By 7. Goes 2 times. There we go. That's all our factors of 14. How about 35? We know 1 times 35. Does 2 go into 35? It's an odd number, so no, it won't go. Does 3 go into 35? No, they're going to use that calculator again. 35 divided by 3? Nope. 35 divided by 4? Nothing. 35 divided by 5? There we go. 5 goes into 35 7 times. 5 times 7 is 35. Boom, there you go. 6? 6 going to 36, but not 35. And we're back to 7, which you've already got written down. That's it. That's all of our factors. So what is our greatest common factor? Well, the only common factors we have are 1, not 2, not 5, and 7. 7 would be our greatest common factor. Right across from the 7, or 14, right across from 7 is 2. And for 35, right across from the 7 is 5. 2/5. That's it. That's as simple as these get. Okay? We're going to do 12/30, and you guys are on your own. Okay? So we'll do our factors of 12 here, and our factors of 30 here. 1 times 12. 2 times 6. 3 times 4. Boom, there we go, because our next number will be 4. We've already got written down. That's all of our 12s. For 30, 1 times 30. 30 divided by 2, type that in your calculator, and you're going to get 15. 3 goes into 30 10 times. I think somebody just joined my Google Meet. Give me just one moment, folks. Let me finish up this video. I'll be right with you, okay? Or maybe they're trying to join the meet. Hold up. Give me a second. Let me click over here. Hey, Timothy, I'm recording a video for my other class. Give me just a moment, okay? All right, thanks. Now, how do I get back to my thingadoodle? There we go. I'm sharing the wrong thing. Hang on just one second for me. Back there. Well, apparently not sure what I'm doing. Oh, there we go. Okay, now we're back. Sorry. Okay, so then 4 doesn't go into 30, but 5 goes 6 times. So what is our greatest common factor of 12 and 30? We got 1, we got 2, we got 3, not 4, not 5, but 6. The rest of those numbers don't go. So 6 is our greatest common factor. So right across from the 6 on the 12 side is 2. And on 30, 6 times 5. So our reduced fraction is 2/5 once again. That was kind of weird. The last two we did are both 2/5. All right. You guys got this. You know what you're doing. Just take the time. Do it right. Use a calculator if you want to. Um, just get her done. I'll see you guys whenever we make it back to school. All right. Bye.